My favorite lip liner ever is this one here. It's the MAC Spice lip liner. I line my Cupid's bow, but I do sort of half lip, half skin. Then I'll continue by lining the rest of my lip. But as I gradually go down, I'm only lining my lip, not my skin. Then on the bottom, I line half of my lip and half of my skin. As I'm lining, I'm resting my pinky finger up against my face. And the reason why I do that is because it really helps me with the line, so it's nice and straight and it's not shaky. It just provides more support. To create that beautiful pout, I'm going to shade the outer corners of my lip. You see the difference? It doesn't have to be perfect, by the way, but as you can see, it's already created like a pout. Now my favorite lipstick is the Matte Velvet Teddy by MAC Cosmetics. So I don't go over the lip liner as much, only a little bit. My lips are looking bomb. Now you can leave your lips like this by all means. You don't have to pop gloss on if you don't like to. I like to add this lipstick here. It's the Amplified Nifty Neon Lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. I will literally just pop that in the center. It actually makes the lips look bigger by doing that as well, so you can leave it like that. But I love using lip gloss. This is a plumping lip gloss, so it stings your lips. You get like a tingly feeling. It makes your lips look a little bit swollen compared to what they usually are. But the tingly feeling doesn't last long, so don't stress. So I like to pop it just in the center section. That concludes my lip tutorial on how to make your lips look bigger by just using makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Can't get in my way. Now you can't rule my day. Still pulling my way.